My name is Amy Heng. I am a Thermomix Advisor. Before Thermomix, I was a business owner. After a while, I realized that I was very strapped with time, struggling to be a mother, struggling to be having a successful business. I had no time to cook. I don't know how to cook, and I hate to clean. So therefore, I was a mother of two who hopeless in the kitchen. I revolve my life around Thermomix and not the other way around, which is very different from owning a traditional business. Now I have more time to spend with my family, and on top of that I can still lead a team, and of course we work very hard, but we also don't forget the fun. So we always have team events. Yeah, we created a lot of memories. If it's possible for me, it's also possible for anybody. So I can't wait for you to join our team one day. Yeah.